Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see how to break code into multiple lines. So here long code is this. For example, you have some long code in your Python file and you want to break that code into multiple lines. So there is rule. You can't use simple enter to break code into multiple lines. So if you want to break code at multiple lines, so you can't use simple enter. No, you can't use. So what you have to use, with that enter you have to use backslash at the line break, right? So that we will see practically. So now for example, here I will take if statement. If 4 is greater than 10 or 10 is greater than 5 and 8 is greater than 2 or 10 is greater than 5, right? So now for example, I have this long line of code and this is code block. It will start with colon, right? And I want to print this. So here I am just taking one example how to break this. So if I run this code, so all the conditions are true. Because of that I am getting here hello. Now what I want to do, I want to break this code at multiple lines. So this is long line. For example, we have this long line of code and I want to break this at multiple lines. So if I take here simple enter statement and if I press here enter and here also enter, so now this code has broken to multiple lines. So I have said this Control S and if I run it again, save. So it is giving me invalid syntax. So what I have told you, so simple enter is not allowed. So what you have to use sorry, you have to use backslash at line break. So I will use here, so this backslash I am using and I am saving it. Now I will run it. So now it is giving hello. So in this way you can break your code at multiple lines, right? So thanks for watching the video. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification.